Hey guys, it's Liam from Killer Ink Tattoo, and today we're here to bring you the Stigma-Rotary Stylist. The Stylist is Stigma's latest pen style rotary machine, and it accepts all types of cartridges available on the market. So let's take a closer look. As you can see, the Stylist is a compact and lightweight pen style machine that features a protected RCA connection on this end and a long, ergonomically designed grip on the other. So this grip is 27mm in diameter. Not only is the grip easy to wrap, but its indented profile makes it a very comfortable machine to work with. Plus, the anti-roll design means, as you might guess, it won't roll off your workstation. The Stylist stroke length can be adjusted in seconds from 3 to 3.7mm by simply twisting the fixed motor. This is a 6-watt Swiss-made motor with 2mm shaft and 2 preloaded ball bearings, so durability and reliability are a given. Stigma's new Stylist pen can be used with cartridges from all of the major brands. So, you can use Stigma's own cartridges, to Cheyenne, or the likes of our own Stellar Cartridges. And it's as easy as that. The Stigma Stylist is available in various colours, from black, red, nuclear green and titanium steel. Just before you go, I want to remind you about Stigma's two other new machines, the Hyper V4 and the Spear. The Hyper V4 is a smooth running and versatile hybrid machine, whereas the Spear is a fully adjustable pen style rotary machine. The Stigma Stylist is available to order from Killer Ink Tattoo via the link in the description below. So, what do you think of Stigma's new Stylist machine? Let us know in the comments below, hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.